How to turn on or turn off Bixby notifications on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then scroll down and tap on advanced features. After that, tap on Bixby. Then scroll down, and in here, tap on notifications. At the top, tap on allow notifications. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on to allow or disable Bixby notifications. And that's it. Once it is turned on, you can also switch on sound and vibration. You can customize the sound and vibration for Bixby, as well as allowing them to show on the lock screen, app icon badge, or notification panel. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.